Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Say how about you?
Yeah, I'm also fit as a fiddle. Okay, I would like to know about you. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, sure. So my name is Sandeep and I hail from Jharkhand. And currently I'm working as a teacher at private school where I specialize to teaching IT subject. And my major is accounts and finance. And in my free time, I enjoy reading books, learning languages, and stacking conversation with the strangers and traveling. So it's my short intro.
Okay, that's great. Good to know about you. Should I introduce myself?
Yes, sure.
Okay. My name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDCS, the computer course also. I'm married person of this. I'm also running YouTube channel. Name is Global English Quest. About my hobby, I like also reading book, cooking, and playing badminton. That's all about me.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. You liked learning new language. So how many languages do you know?
Actually, uh, I have decided in this year I have to be very fluent in English, and next year I have to start Spanish.
Okay.
So actually, I encounter with lot of friend. They are from they are from different part of the world. So I speak little bit when I encounter to any other person. I ask how to introduce myself. Please tell me in this your language. So really, I enjoy learning languages. But learning two languages at the same times, it really so difficult. If you are free, then you can learn. But I told like I am a teacher, so I don't have enough time.
Yes, definitely. You are a teacher, so you have limited time for yourself. I can
Asking how long
understand.
I am learning this language.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I have been learning since Feb 2024 in this year.
Okay. Feb 2024. Okay. How got your improvement so far?
Yeah, improvement. I feel I could speak. I could talk to any person. Even I mostly I like to prefer to talk to native speaker, like person from UK and US. So
Yes.
yeah, earlier when I was started, that time I had a friend. Still actually not had a friend. I have a friend. She's from US. So
Okay.
that time I was talking with her. So that time really I faced a lot of problem while making conversation. In my mind, I have a lot of the things to share, but I couldn't share due to I don't know that nervous and the
They
things
had
don't come in my mind while making conversation. But right now when I talk to with her, they always say you speak a lot. Why you are speaking a lot? Even you speak very fast. Please speak slowly that I could understand. Even she is
okay.
native speaker. So
Yes.
it's I can feel like gradually my fluency or
Learning
like speaking is improvement is going to
improvement.
improve.
Yeah, you are getting success. Yeah, definitely. Okay, what you do for enhance your communication apart from speaking with people?
Mostly I like to talk rather than
Okay.
just learning studying. Studying is a kind of the things you can learn anything fastly, but I focus on practical because a lot of person I see rarely person they study, they just focus on making conversation rather than a study. Because whenever I talk to any person, they are from out of India or maybe from other part of the world, they mostly focus on making conversations rather than just learning, repeating, learning new vocabs like that. No, just making conversation, or while making conversation they encounter a lot of like a problem, then they use and they learn listening, just listening to others.
Hmm. You do not practice other things like thinking, study, and writing, this kind of things.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
don't.
I do, but rarely I do. I actually I have a lot of I have my own strategy to learn this language. After in my 4 months experience, I learn a lot of the things that how can improve my English. Then I realized I have to work on every part, that reading, writing, speaking, vocabs, grammars, idioms,
So
phrases.
I'm asking you, do you have environment? Maybe you have environment to speak with kids at school.
No,
isn't
no,
it?
no, no, no. Actually, it is, it's not like a
Because
city
especially
area. It is kind of, a small area. So rarely students they speak English. There is no such type of environment.
okay, yeah, yeah. Mostly it's happened, but some schools, private schools especially, they speak English. So that's why I asked you. Okay.
Yeah, just I wanted to ask you how long you are learning and what kind of, the pra- how to practice.
Yeah, mostly I try to speak with people, especially audio and video call. Audio call mostly. And second thing is I do study and I watch conversation videos and any other related English, whatever it's come on my screen on YouTube. So I try to watch this thing. And apart from thinking, thinking I do. It's very effective way for me to enhance my communication. So yeah, I do think.
Yeah, yeah. Thinking help a lot when you are
Yes.
going to speak anything. Just you have to
Yes.
think in your mind, and when you feel like like some when you feel like you are making some mistakes, so you can rectify in your mind, and you can use
Yes.
your phone. So really, thinking also help. Also, whenever we are going to speak, and even when we speak anything wrong, just try to think what did I, what kind of mistake I did.
Yeah. We can identify easily where I made our mistake. So yeah, that is also very helpful for us. This is another way to enhance our communication. We can think before talking with people. No need to think, what I will say because your mind already are habitual to think in English. So that is also a plus point while conversation with people. We can get easily the words what I am going to tell to them. Yeah, that is also very helpful.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's great.
Yeah, are you in the school right now?
Yeah, actually, I'm in a school. Yeah, classes is over
Okay.
right now, but
What is
I'm in a
time?
school. School timing is 8 to 2, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., 6 hours.
Okay. But it's more than two, it's more than three as
Yeah, yeah,
well.
school is over right now. I'm here and just making conversation. I try to use
Okay.
my time because, yeah.
Just because of conversation, you are in the school right now?
Yeah, actually, I stay in near. Actually, I stay in hostel.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that's great. That's why you're here now. Do you live with your family or you live in
No, no,
alone?
no, no. I am single right now.
Okay. Which subject do you teach?
I teach computer.
Computer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I was a computer teacher before marriage, I think more than 5 years ago. So
Okay.
I
I think
think
you
I
said
forgot.
you are doing master something in computer
Not computer, in education subject.
in education subject.
Yes. Are you YouTuber? Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, when did you start your channel?
Fab 11 Fab 2024.
11th Feb. Okay, when you start your learning journey, same time
Yeah,
you started the
the
YouTube
same.
channel.
Yeah, same time I have started. I wanted to share the journey. That means learning or sharing, but it not gonna do like that. Just I upload only conversational video there. But I wanted to share the tips and tricks that how can I speak, and how
Okay.
did I become fluent like that. You can find this type of videos on internet, on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Nowadays, every people running their YouTube channel. It's profitable for people who want to learn this language. Video is very simple in language, very simple word we use for conversation. So easily people can understand our words, our sentences. That is also very helpful for beginners.
Yeah, it only helpful for the beginner. And when we talk about intermediate or upper intermediates, Actually, this kind of video is not helpful because they have to learn lot of professional conversation like using phrasal verbs, idioms while making conversation, and lot of the things. It is only helpful for the beginner. They wanted to speak but they don't know how to start, and they get inspiration, or like just watching those type or the type of videos.
Yes, definitely. What is the motto of create your YouTube channel?
Actually, my motto is simple that I wanted to share my journey, or the
Okay.
gradually at the same in I will improve myself, and the person they will follow, the subscriber they will learn and they will watch videos and gradually they will improve. So yeah, even I want to I want to be like whatever I share, I want to share in English only. For example, if I am
Okay.
going to show the things, the places, like a blogging, so I could share all the contents, all the things in English. So first of all, I want to be very fluent in English. So it was my like a motto. First of all, I wanted to be at least confidence, or maybe like a fluence. Then I want to share.
Yeah, definitely. You were able to connect with people when you started your learning journey.
Yeah.
You were able to connect with people. That time you are confident.
Yeah, earlier I was not lot of confidence, right, while making conversation, facing a lot of struggle, like how to make, how to talk, what people will think if I make any silly mistake or any kind of mistake. But I don't. Right now, while making conversation, really I do mistakes. Sorry, make mistakes, but it's okay because I earlier I was watching every video, even native speakers video, very carefully, even Hollywood movies or any kind of movies. And I found in every movies, in every conversation, they make a lot of mistakes, even native speakers. Then I
Yeah.
realized making mistakes, when we talk about, mostly wrong spoken language is English language all over the world. Mostly wrong spoken language is English language.
Why?
So
Why?
why? Because whenever I talk to any person, when we Indians speak English very well. But when I talk to any person, they are from out of native country. Like they are not from US, UK, Australia, Canada. They are from other country. They don't know English. Even their in their in country, the culture or everything, they only focus on their native language. And every
Yeah.
subject they study in their own language. Only there is a one subject as a English.
Mhm.
But when we talk about in India, so in India, every subject in English, and even we are very good in English. Which since childhood we are learning English. We are studying English
Yeah.
as a subject.
Mhm.
So when I talk to any person, really I feel why I'm talking. I don't like to talk because even they are not good at English. So really, so that's why I only like to talk to the people they are from native country.
Okay, that's great. Okay, how did you meet this kind of people, abroad people? Do you use any
Mm,
particular application?
Yeah, sometimes I use application like Hello Talk, or in your Facebook or Messenger. There is such kind of the group where you can
Okay.
find people are from all over the world. They are learning the same language, having the same mind, and yeah, even you can go, like a Telegram group.
Mm-hmm.
So that,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. From there you found the people.
yeah, yeah.
That's great. That is also very helpful because they are very fluent in English. You can get lots of things. You can
Yeah,
learn
and
lots.
and if you want to share, if you want to talk to the people from all over the world, and so English is the only the way you can make conversation. Even you don't know each
Understand?
other the language, so English is like a common language. You can make conversation. There is no any choice. For example, when we talk to me, we are, I think your native language is Hindi because you are from UP and I am from Bihar, Jharkhand. So my native language is also Hindi. So while making conversation gradually, regularly, we will come in Hindi. I so whenever I talk to any person, after making long conversation like 1 hour, 2 hour, suddenly we come on our native language and start making conversation in native language. But
Yeah,
it
definitely.
never
We have,
happened when we talk to the people they don't know our native language. So there is no choice.
yeah. Anyhow, we have to make them understand in this language. Otherwise, we have choice. If they do not understand what I'm saying in Hindi language, English language, then we have all option. We can make them understand through this language. So we do not put too much effort, to make them understand through this language. That is also a plus point while talking in here Indians people. If we talk abroad people, then we totally focus to make them understand for this language. Anyhow, we should make them understand. So we put a lot of effort. We pressure in our mind. You should make them understand through this language. You can't switch any other language. So yeah, that is also very good. Okay. When you talk with people, out of countries people, then which kind of topic do you choose to conversation or just a random conversation?
Actually, we don't talk in any topic, just making conversation. Hi, how are you? And where are you from? I'm from that country. What do you do? I do like that of the things. And if you are a student, what is your major subject? They are start to talking about our India, the culture, heritage, like a heritage, or like the things. And have you ever visited to out of your country? Like that, the simple topic. We don't talk in any topic. Sometimes or even without making conversation in any random topic, we can continuously talking 4 hours, 3 hours. Sometime earlier when I was talking in fab, I was continuously I started a host a party at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, and continuously we talk till 3 a.m, till
Oh,
morning, and
what
without
was the topic?
without any topic, just
Without
making
topic.
conversation.
Okay, yeah, that is the very interesting.
And
Oh,
I think if you want to improve your English, so only making conversation help a lot. Learning, everybody learning, even we are learning since childhood. Even when we talk about the people, they are from English background, even in our school, they are really so excellent. Some students are really so excellent, or like a intelligence in subject like English, they're getting 100 out of 100. But when come to a speaking, they don't speak, they don't know how to speak. So reason because they
yes,
learn only as a subjective that they have to achieve 100 of 100. How to achieve? How to write all the things perfectly? So the same
yes,
thing.
yes.
So even if anybody, if they wants to speak English, only one option. They start to speak. Even you speak broken English, it's okay. You
Yeah,
have to
definitely.
speak.
Yeah, definitely. Initially, everyone has this kind of, everyone has faced this kind of problems, broken English. After that, we gradually get our fluency or anything, you know. So
Yeah.
we should try from zero. Everything, if you want to try, then definitely you have to start from zero. Then we will get a success. Otherwise, if you how much you are putting effort, that much you can get success.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Sandeep ji,
So
nice to
yeah.
talk.
Okay. Nice. It was really so wonderful conversation. So we should wind up this session.
Yeah, definitely. We should wind up. If we get chance, then we can connect again. Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.